Meaning of headache.
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 Headache. Headache is a medical condition characterized by pain or discomfort in the head, scalp, or neck region. It is a common symptom and can range from mild to severe. The causes of headaches can be various, including tension, sinus infection, migraine, or even certain medications. People with headaches may feel pressure, throbbing, or aches in their head. Other symptoms accompanying headaches can include nausea, sensitivity to light or sound, or even vision changes. Treatment for headaches depends on the underlying cause, and can include medications, lifestyle changes, or other therapies.